How to fix your account was suspended because your linked Meta account doesn't follow our rules. I'm going to tell you how to fix your account was suspended because your linked Meta account doesn't follow our rules. First, don't panic. If your account was suspended due to a linked Meta account violation, you'll need to address it step by step. Start by reviewing the email or notification you received from the platform to understand the specific rule that was violated. Next, visit the Meta Help Center to find the specific violation details and steps on how to appeal. If you believe that the suspension was a mistake, you can then submit an appeal directly from the account suspension notification. Make sure your linked account follows all platform guidelines if needed. You may have to update your account information, remove any violating content, or adjust your settings. Now, once you've taken these steps, just be patient and wait for your appeal to be reviewed.